Good morning, students. I'm Subhamana Shapoti from Department of Allied Health Science, Baylor University. So today I'll discuss a topic from your subject, Radiographic and Image Technique, BMRIT 202 is your course code. From Module 7, I'm going to discuss about latent image formation. So before start the topic latent image, some of the things that should be clear, that is radiographic film. So what is the structure of radiographic film? I have already discussed on your class. The radiographic film consists of four main layers. Base, that is made up of polyester or cellulose, and emulsion, that is made up of silver halide crystal and mixture of gelatin. Adhesive layer, that is differentiate the emulsion and base, and the supercoating that protect the emulsion layer, that is also made up of gelatin. So our most focus today is on emulsion layer. So what is emulsion layer? Emulsion layer is basically a photosensitive layer that is sensitive to light photon or X-ray photon. The emulsion layer is made up of silver halide crystal. So in silver halide crystal, there is silver bromide and silver iodide. 90 to 99% silver bromide and 1 to 10% silver iodide. So the function of iodide is just to stimulate the sensitivity of the radiographic film. Gelatin that provide a surface into where the halide crystal are distributed in order. So this emulsion layer can be coated in both sides of the film base. That is called double emulsion film. So we are going to start about latent image. So what is latent image? Latent image is nothing but an invisible image which is produced when light photons or X-ray photons interact with the emulsion layer. And the emulsion layer later on developed by various chemical components to produce visible image. Radiation interact with the silver halide crystal by mainly photoelectric interaction and Compton scattering. The main function of photochemistry is form latent image on the radiosensitive films. Latent image is produced from the exposure of light photons from intensifying stream, and in case of oral study or mammographic study, from the direct exposure of X radiation photon. Metallic silver in silver halide crystal is black in color. So the portion of metallic silver produce the black area on a developed film. Exposure of light photon from intensifying screen or from direct exposure to the silver iodobromide grain initiate the formation of atomic silver into visible image pattern. The primary interaction with the bromide crystal is by Compton scattering and photoelectric interaction. Therefore, it knocking out the electron. So a physical change occurs when the radiograph is exposed. When X-ray photons or visible light photons strike the silver bromide crystal in an emulsion layer, an amount of silver ion are formed on the surface of the crystal, and bromide that is liberated and is absorbed by the gelatin of the emulsion layer. The crystals are purposely constructed with electron trap mechanism, which is consist of sulfur impurities, and the trapping of electron has been stimulated by the addition of silver iodide in the crystal. Electrons are trapped by sulfur. When this situation occurs, it produces latent image in the film emulsion. So here you can see silver bromide with the interaction of X-ray photon produce silver ion and bromide ion. So that is for today. So next class we will be discuss on the formation of visible image from latent image. Thank you so much for today.